Are you looking for an easy way to show off all of your images on your WordPress website? Well, keep watching. In this video, I'll show you 2 methods you can use to add image gallery in WordPress. WordPress makes it really easy to upload images to a post or a page, but if you're doing multiple images on your post or page, then you might want to be able to manage them using a gallery. Well, by default, WordPress actually does come with a built-in gallery, and a lot of people don't know about that. To show you what it looks like, we're going to go to a post, and I'm going to add a new post. And let's just create something like a vacation. You can add the media. From here, you can either add the media from your media library. I need to upload the files first, so I'll find them. So I'm going to go from my folder, select a few of the images, and you can either drag and drop, or you can also use the upload button there. Down here, you see them coming in. And once they're uploaded, we'll be able to work with them. All right, now all the images that I want to use are uploaded. We can go over here and you can create a gallery. When I click Create Gallery, it automatically selects the ones that I've just uploaded. You can see that they're selected by the little check mark. If I don't want that one, I can just click on that right there and it'll remove it. While we have them selected, you can select the image here, and over on the right, you want to make sure that you have a title and the alt text. The alt text is important for 2 reasons. First, SEO purposes. It's great to have description of the image that will help with search engines. And more importantly, it's important to have the alt text for visitors who can't see the images, and maybe they're using a browser reader to read what is on the screen for them. So make sure you have the alt text set up for all of your images. And once I add all the images to the gallery that I want, I'll go ahead and add this one too. You see down here, there are all of the images that are currently selected to go into the gallery that we're creating. Once we're ready, we can click Create New Gallery, and then it'll bring it all into this area. So you can decide how you want to link it, either an attachment page, its own media file, or none. So that means if somebody clicks on the image, it won't attach to it, it won't go to anything. You can also choose how many columns to display. The random order will simply put the pictures in different order each time someone views it. And then you can also choose the default size that you want. Once you're happy with all that, just click Insert Gallery, and then you'll see how it looks in the post. From here, you can actually click somewhere in it, and then you see a box come up. This will let you either remove the gallery, or you can edit the gallery. Now, if you remove it, you won't see that gallery anymore, and you'll have to recreate it. You can also go in and edit. So once we're happy with that, let's click Publish, and we can see it in action. So that was pretty super quick. Now, there's a couple of downsides to this. For one, when I click on that image, it will open it up into its own attachment, meaning it'll go to its own page. And you see, like, clicked on that, so now it has its own page up here. And if the person wants to go back to the page that we were on, then they'll have to click the back button. So there's a little bit of a disconnect for the user experience. The next method that I'll show you is using a plugin, and the plugin that we like to use for galleries is Envira Gallery. So to do that, let's head over to our WordPress dashboard. We'll go down to Plugins, Add New, and up in the search area, you want to look for Envira Gallery. This is the one we want, so let's click Install Now. And once it's installed, go ahead and activate it. Now that it's activated, we can create galleries from down here. So let's head over to Gallery, Add New, and I'll show you how you can do this. Here we can add the title that we want to use for the gallery. From here, you can either select Native Envira Gallery, that means select items from your computer like the other one did, or you can do from other sources. Since we already have them uploaded, we can choose other sources and pick the images that we want to add. In order to make sure you have all of them selected, you'll need to click Control or Command, click, and then that will make sure that they're all coming over. You want to do the same thing that we did before, where you make sure that the images have a good title and a good alt text. You can also see down here, we have the ones that are selected that will go into the gallery. Once we're happy with that, let's go ahead and insert into gallery, and we'll scroll down, and what that does is it pulls them all in down here so that you can adjust them how you want. You can left click and drag and move them from here. You can click on the little button to edit each individual information here including the alt text. You can also delete from here. So now that we have the images in, let's go ahead and do the config tab because we want to choose how many columns to use. Automatic, it just tries to determine the best fit for your website. And that also makes it easier on mobile. The default settings on many of these are really, really good. So we'll just keep that for those. And the other thing you want to do is click on the lightbox. The lightbox just enables the images to come up in a pop-up without the user leaving the page. So that makes it really easy for them to view the images that you're showing them. And then they can go back to the page that they were on without any issues. And now that we've made sure that both of those items are selected, you have all these other items that you can choose from, and you can grow with this plugin. This is the free version, but there is also a pro feature that will allow you to do many, many more things. So if you're really into photography or really into a lot of images on your site, you may want to take a look at it. So now that we've created this gallery, we'll click Publish, and I'll show you under Enviro Gallery. Then you have all the galleries that you've created in one location that you can manage and edit from there. But I want to show you what it looks like in our post. So I'll go back to our posts, go to all posts, and we were working on the vacation. And I'm going to scroll down to below the default gallery. And now we have a new button here called Add Gallery. It's the only one we have. So I'll select that one and click Insert. And now you see this bit of shortcode. We'll just leave that there. And I'll leave this gallery up here so we can take a look at the difference. So we'll update that. Take a look at the page. And now this is the WordPress version of the gallery. And then now we have, because I had it automatic, you see that the Enviro Gallery is showing them like that. And you can, and that's just automatic. If you want them in its own columns, you can choose that as well. Once I click on this image, you see it comes up in a nice lightbox pop-up like I was talking about. And you see the images that you can go back and forth on. Very easy, very user intuitive. And then you can either exit out here or just click anywhere on the page and it'll take them back to the page. So those are the two main methods that we recommend on creating an image gallery on your WordPress website. Did you learn something from today's video? If so, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll send more helpful tips to help you manage your WordPress website. And thanks for watching.